learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家话。
Welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling, and we're going to teach you more Hakka vocabulary that you can use every day. 我们来教大家天天可以应用到的客语哦。以前都会讲到一些就是每天都会看到的东西，我现在又看到一个，Alice 有漂亮的牙齿
斯蒙尼，
斯蒙尼，谢谢我妈，真的 ，She's got beautiful teeth. Let's talk about teeth 好了，因为每个人跟每个人交谈微笑都会看到牙齿，对，我们教大家跟牙齿有关的一些单字。
OK，
牙齿最麻烦的一件事情，而且常常会发生，就是蛀牙。
对
，Having cavities is such a problem, so let's teach people how to say 蛀牙。
蛀牙，
蛀哪？
蛀牙啦，
那个蛀在牙齿里啊，
不是，它是
那
蛀牙，就是蛀牙，
就是蛀牙。Oh, that's cavities， 蛀牙。
对。
Let's say I want to say I have 2 cavities， 我有2颗蛀牙。
我有2支蛀牙。
我有2支蛀牙。Okay, that means I have 2 cavities. All right, 那牙齿怎么说呢？先教了蛀牙，应该先教牙齿才对。
牙齿。
牙齿就是牙齿 ，That's teeth。像说 Alice 刚刚让我注意到，就是因为她的牙齿好白哦。你的牙齿很白，怎么说？
你的牙齿懂拍。
你的牙齿懂拍。Okay, that means you have very white teeth.
那牙齿的海陆腔，牙齿。
牙齿 That's a different dialect to say teeth. If you have cavities or if you have problem with your teeth, you have to go to the dentist. 要去牙科，牙科怎么说？
牙科。
哦，牙科。All right， 每半年呢最好是看一次牙科，对不对？
洗牙啦，或是检查一下有没有蛀牙咯。
Exactly. Even if you don't have problems, you should go to the dentist every half a year. 怎么说呢？每半年要看一次牙科。
每半年要看100牙科。
每半年要看100牙科。Okay. Again, that's highly recommended. And finally, you have to brush your teeth at least once, maybe twice a day. 其实我们都会说，其实要好好的刷牙，尤其饭后的时候应该都要刷牙。
每天都要刷个好几次。
刷牙怎么说？
洗嘴。
洗嘴就洗嘴巴。
对啦，就是要洗嘴巴。
That literally means washing your mouth, which is brush your teeth in Hakka. 饭后要记得刷牙。Remember to brush your teeth after meals.
饭後要記得洗嘴。
飯後要記得洗嘴。好了，去刷牙一下好了。
OK 。
永远保持牙齿的健康。
好。
All right, that's it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
按子say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.